Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today it is my Ipsy versus Ipsy for November. If you are unfamiliar with the OG, the original Ipsy Glam bag, this is a $14 monthly subscription where you receive 5 items and a small cosmetics bag. You do get to choose one of those options, and it is a value up to $70. I'll pop some info right here on the screen for you guys. But I get every single month the opportunity to open up my mother-in-law's bag before she even sees it, so thank you to her. And then I get my own bag. This month I'm going to dive into my bag first. And my profile and the preface for me doing this is to see if they're actually listening to us as consumers. My profile is I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair. I am very comfortable with makeup, but I prefer skincare. And then I'll let you know her deets when we jump into her bag. I do continue to get my paid for Ipsy, even though I do get PR, just because I love it and I always feel like I get the best bang for my buck with it. I feel like for $13, $14 to get 5 products and a little makeup bag, I've gotten so many brushes from Ipsy. I take all my travel items and put them in my overnight bag because we go to visit our son. So I feel like it's a great value personally. I see the value in it. So right on top, I see an item that I actually got in my PR package, and I've been using it every single day as a like concealer type brush or when I press out my eye primer. So I'm loving this. This is the Beauty for Real brush. So definitely going to keep that. Definitely love that. Our bag this month is a beautiful hot pink. I believe we could have also gotten purple. It has a gold zipper pull and it is a beautiful quilted type of material. Next up I have the Reina Rebelde Bold Lip Color Stick. I'm not always a fan of these. I do think they're really nice if you do like these types of products. They're just not something I gravitate toward. I typically throw on a lip plumper and use a lip liner, and that's what I do. Next up, something in bubble wrap that always makes me happy. This is the Cab Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Quad. I'll look at my insert. You also do get an insert with all of your information, and I'll see what the quad looks like just because I don't want to open it and waste it if I know that I'm not going to use it. Next up is something that I love and I've repurchased for many, many years, is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And if you're looking for something that has kind of a mid hold and doesn't make your brows too crunchy, gives a little bit of lift, but it's clear, this is a great option. I am finding that my bag is incredibly makeup heavy and not any skincare yet. I don't mind it, but are they listening to us, y'all? And then last but not least, I got the Sutra Beauty Heat Guard, the leave-in cream for your hair. I did also get this in my PR box. I think overall it's an okay bag. I think if you're a makeup lover, you would have absolutely loved it. I'm thrilled even just to get the brow setter and this brush because I've been loving that brush. So we'll go in and talk some deets. November 2023 is the glammest show on earth. Come one, come all. We're kicking off the holidays with the most festive glam in town. Join us for all the beauty you need to sparkle this season. Gorgeous gift ideas for friends and fam, and spectacular Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. The fun has only just begun. And then you can see my 5 items that I did receive in my bag. And I really like when they do that. It gives me an idea of how much it's going to cost if I were to buy the full price, things like that. So the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is a clear brow gel. Brows that look naturally beautiful all day long, this clear gel delivers just that. Swipe it on for 24 hours of water-resistant definition and hold. The custom molded dual-sided wand coats brow hairs, yes, even the teeny tiny ones, from root to tip without getting clumpy or flaky. I agree. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $26. The Beauty for Real Perfect Perfection Concealer Brush. In case you didn't get the memo, this concealer brush is perfection. With its luxurious ultra soft feel, sleek design, and contoured shape, you're able to seamlessly cover any imperfections, brighten your under eyes, and highlight your face. This is obviously a full-size brush, and it retails for $21, which is already the price of your box. Next up is our Cab Quad in the shade or the color story Naked. This versatile eyeshadow quad promises to be your go-to for endless eye looks all year round, including both mattes and shimmers in a range of neutral shades. The long-wearing, highly pigmented, and silky formula will help you effortlessly sculpt and define your eyes. It is a full-size little quad for $26. Don't know that I would pay that for that. I will get this a little bit closer though so you guys can see what it looks like. I definitely have enough that look like this, so I will obviously probably not use that. Next up is our Reina Rebelde, the mini bold lip color stick in DEVON. This nude pink lip crayon is full coverage and foolproof. It is wearable and super easy to apply whether you're in front of a mirror or on the go. Plus, its moisturizing formula keeps your lips hydrated while giving them a luxe satin finish. This is a deluxe sample. Their full size is $19. And last up in my bag is the Sutra Heat Guard Leave-In Cream. Flyaways frizz as if. This rich leave-in treatment is here to make sure your hair is hydrated and smooth by infusing your strands with plenty of moisture and nutrition. It's also on a serious mission to help repair the damage caused by heat styling so your hair can look healthy. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $20. I love my bag overall. I did not get not even one skincare product in here, but I do like the bag overall, so I'm not upset at it at all. Let me get all of my stuff out the way, and we will hop into my mother-in-law's bag. She has light skin, light hair, and light eyes. She's semi-comfortable with makeup, and she has a heavy preference for makeup. And typically, she gets the better bag every month. I will also note too, and I'm saying this as somebody that I've gotten Ipsy Glam bag, the OG one, since March of 2015, so for a very long time. If you go in and update your profile and update your preferences and stuff every few months, I kind of do it like quarterly. I find that if my bag's getting a little bit stale, a little bit too repetitive, as I go in and change my profile up, I tend to kind of get different items in my bag. So just noting that for you guys. Oh, she also has a brush right on top. She has a little Formula Z, the Transformation brush. I will not take it out of its packaging, obviously. It is not mine. It has like a beautiful like lucite crystal looking handle. She also got the pink version of the bag. And right on top in her bag is something in bubble wrap. This is the Pressed Shimmer Powder from KOSMETICS, I guess. Again, I'm not going to open it. It is not mine. I will show you on her card, though. Next up, she also got the Sutra Leave-In Cream. Next up in her bag is something from Belle in Argent in the shade Lauren. I'm going to assume that it is a lipstick. It does not say on the packaging. And then last up in her bag is also a Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And sadly, her card doesn't actually give us the information. I do not like when they do that. I feel like unless they're going to put pertinent information that we need, why do this? Why waste the packaging? So yeah, hers is pretty much all makeup. She got the brush, what I'm assuming is a lipstick, her brow product, shimmer powder, and then the hair product. So I think both are honestly pretty even this month. I think maybe I actually like mine a little bit more than hers this month, which is not always the case. I think she's going to really love her bag though, other than maybe this, but she does heat style, so I could be wrong, y'all. I could be wrong. Let me put her stuff back in her bag really quickly. And then while we're here, if you're still here, we're going to do just a quick little secret giveaway. The items that I know that I'm not going to keep and enjoy for myself. So you will be getting the bag, the little cab quad, the little hair treatment, and the lipstick. I will, of course, throw in a couple of extra little goodies. All of my giveaways are always the same. You must be publicly subscribed, and I have to be able to confirm that you are subscribed to my channel. You must be 18 or have parental consent, please. You must be in the US, and you're just going to leave a genuine comment down below. I will do a random generator. I will reply to and pin your comment. If I do not pin your comment, you did not win. If somebody ever says, hey, you won, you know, WhatsApp me or Telegram me, I will never ask you to do that. So just please use common sense. Just know that if your comment has not been pinned, it is not me. I will also put the winner in my community tab. You'll have 48 hours to contact me via Instagram, The Brutally Honest Beauty. All rules and everything are always going to be down below. Good luck, beauties. Thank y'all for joining me. What did you guys think? I think overall, I loved November. My icon box blew it out of the freaking water for me. I loved it. I feel like this has been a fabulous, fabulous month. I don't always feel like they're listening to us. I'm just saying, what do you guys think? Let me know. Let's have that conversation down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.